In this video, I will explain and show how to service and lubricate the swing gate drives. I have such swing gate drives, and I have already disassembled them. The company's Superpower Tech, and now they have started to malfunction. To check the functionality of this mechanism, it is necessary to connect a 12-volt DC power supply to these connectors. After that, the motor is turned on, the gearbox rotates, and the telescopic part emerges on the opposite side of this mechanism.
I will connect the power. As you can see, the mechanism is working, but it is very stiff. It needs to be disassembled and lubricated.
Carefully remove the cover to avoid damaging anything on the mechanism. Remember where everything is located so that you can reassemble it in the reverse order. To start, I will take an old toothbrush, some alcohol, and thoroughly clean the old grease off the gears. We will remove the gears one by one and clean them thoroughly from the old grease. The old grease contains a lot of dirt, which is why it serves an abrasive function. You can clean all the teeth of the gears so that they are clean. And after cleaning, we will thoroughly wipe off any remaining alcohol with a clean, dry cloth. Here's the clean gear. Let's move on to the others. Try not to forget the arrangement of these gears so that everything goes smoothly during reassembly. After cleaning, it is necessary to clean the shafts where the gears were located from old grease and dirt as well. After that, I will use thermoresistant thick silicone grease to lubricate the gears, which is also used for lubricating all plastic gears on drives, computer parts, and other gears. First, we apply a small amount of grease to the shaft. And the same amount on the gear. You don't need much here to avoid excess. And we place the gears in their place. And in the same way we lubricate the large gear, both one and the other.
And we assemble the reducer housing in reverse order.
I will use this universal grease for the reducer to lubricate the internal worm gear. To perform this task, I will take an old, well-used syringe, carefully squeeze a small amount of grease into it, and then proceed to inject approximately 3 cubic centimeters of this grease into the designated technical hole. This process ensures that the grease is properly applied and reaches the necessary components, in one direction and the other. After that, it is necessary to move the mechanism in both directions. The automatic mechanisms for opening common gates have been serviced and cleaned.